How to fix uncaught syntax error, unexpected token in React application. When working with React applications, encountering error messages can be a common occurrence. One such error that can be particularly perplexing is the uncaught syntax error, unexpected token. This error can halt the development process and needs to be addressed promptly for smooth functioning. Understanding the root cause of the error is the first step towards rectifying it. The uncaught syntax error, unexpected token, typically indicates that your application is trying to parse HTML as JavaScript, most likely because the JSX is not being transpiled correctly. Here are some detailed strategies to resolve this error. 1. Ensure correct configuration of Babel. Babel is responsible for transpiling JSX into JavaScript. Misconfiguration can lead to this error. Ensure your .babelError configuration file or the Babel section in your package.json includes. This setup ensures that Babel correctly processes your JSX code into browser-compatible JavaScript. 2. Check Webpack configuration. If you are using Webpack, it's crucial to ensure that Babel is correctly integrated. Your webpack.config.js should include the Babel loader for JSX files. This will ensure that any .jsx or .js file gets processed by Babel. 3. Verify file extensions. Ensure that your React component files have the correct extensions. Typically, React components are either in .js or .jsx files. Mistakenly using HTML could cause parsing errors. 4. Confirm web server configuration. If your development server is misconfigured, it might serve HTML directly instead of transpiled JavaScript. Ensure that your server is correctly applying the appropriate transformations by checking its configuration settings. 5. Correctly handle paths in your code. A common oversight is incorrect paths to files. If your import statements are not aligned with the actual folder structure, you might encounter this error. Double-check that your paths are accurate. An example of an import statement. 6. Examine browser network requests. Open the browser's developer tools and examine the network requests. If you see that the server is returning an HTML file instead of your JavaScript file, this is a sign that you need to revisit the server configuration points mentioned earlier. Resolving the uncaught syntax error, unexpected token, error primarily revolves around correctly configuring your development environment and ensuring all paths and file extensions are correctly set. Once these adjustments are made, your React applications should compile and run smoothly. By addressing the root causes as described, you can resolve this error and ensure a better development workflow.